What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Ray Loves to Eat here on Ray Loves to Eat YouTube channel. It's your boy Ray. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for content, for more videos, more mukbangs on the channel. And today we got Applebee's. So I was trying to choose between Applebee's and I almost got Red Robin, but I didn't want to get a burger from Red Robin. And I would have got a chicken sandwich, but I think this chicken sandwich looks a lot better than the Red Robin one. So we're going to save the Red Robin video for when I do get a burger from there, because they have really, really good burgers. And there's not really a lot of things that I like on their menu of Red Robin. Red Robin's not my favorite place to go to. It's hit or miss sometimes, but they definitely do have some good burgers over there. So I got basically a crispy bacon chicken sandwich with melted cheddar cheese and some French fries and a Sprite that I got from the gas station. But yeah, let me show you this chicken sandwich real quick. It was a little cold, so I did have to heat it up for like 20 seconds in the microwave just to make it a little bit hot. I don't like my food too hot when I taste it, burning my mouth. So here it is. Here's the chicken sandwich cheddar with bacon on it. This thing looked delicious. And I ordered it off DoorDash. And on the DoorDash app, I put no lettuce, no tomatoes, no pickles. But what happened? I had lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles on my sandwich. But it's alright, because it happens a lot when I order DoorDash. It's been a minute since I've ordered DoorDash. I don't order DoorDash as much as I used to. But I will start ordering DoorDash again sometime this year again. Not a lot, but like maybe a couple times a week I will. But as of right now, we're just going to just go to the places, pick up the food or order it, and then go pick it up. We're going to just do that for now. And then some videos we will do some frozen stuff at my house. But other than that, let's get into it. I'm going to put my favorite condiment, which is ketchup. You already know that. And we're going to take our first bites of the chicken sandwich. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Cheers, guys. This is a big ass chicken breast. Look at all that white meat. Ketchup for my fries. Ketchup on that. But yeah, overall, it's a good chicken sandwich. I'm going to give this sandwich a 7.7 out of 10. French fries could be a little bit better. They're kind of a little cold. So I'm going to give them a 5.6 out of 10. They came out fresh. Obviously, they probably did come out fresh, but when the DoorDash delivery guy brought it here, which took an hour to get it delivered, they get cold. And I've done DoorDash before, so I know how it is. I know you guys noticed in yesterday's video, no one mentioned it, but I'm currently at my parents' house. I'm watching their house while they're out of town. They will be back tomorrow by the time I get off work. And this is where we're doing the video at. So we'll be back with the car videos maybe tomorrow. Yeah, probably be doing a car video tomorrow. So stay tuned for that dropping tomorrow. Yeah, car videos will return tomorrow. Most definitely. Excuse me. But in a couple hours, I'm going to be watching WWE WrestlePalooza making its debut on ESPN, because now the WWE have a deal with ESPN where they promote all WWE events because it's going to be on ESPN. So they're basically treating it like a sport. Even though it's not a sport and it's scripted, they're treating it like a sport. A lot of people are pissed off about it, but it is what it is, man. They wanted to make a deal with the WWE to stream their pay-per-views on there, and that's what they're going to do. And I had to pay $30 freaking a month. So we'll see how long I do this $30 a month thing. Who knows? Maybe I only do it for this show and then cancel it. Who knows? So we'll see. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Like I said before, we'll be back for more car mukbangs tomorrow on Sunday because like I said, my parents come back tomorrow. So yeah, we'll figure out where we're gonna go tomorrow. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for content. And see you back here for more videos, more mukbangs here on Ray Loves to Eat. Road to 1,000 subscribers. And hopefully we'll hit 600 by Monday. We'll see. We still got the rest of tonight and tomorrow to hit 600. But if we don't hit it, we'll hit it before the end of the month, or we'll hit 700 by next month. But anyway, that's it. Subscribe for more. Let me know what you want to see next. The comments down below. Peace, guys.